Here things manifest easily and effortlessly because we have understood the love of God. I'm a second-year student in Charis Bible College, and I thank God for this opportunity that I found in this place. I'm talking about the love of God that is in this place. As Andrew instructed us in class about the love of God, I've seen the manifestation of the love of God in my heart, and also the manifestation of the love of God in other people in our class. I have seen the unity, I have seen the supply from other students. So the manifestation of the God's love have been expressed. So I call upon people there that do not know about the love of God to come to Charis Bible College and enjoy an amazing experience. Here things manifest easily and effortlessly because we have understood the love of God. Please do come to Charis Bible College. It will change your life forever and you'll have a joyful life. You know, the joy of our Lord is our strength. So please come to Bible College and you will have this amazing experience.